How to add question to Botpress. So first go to Botpress and then open up one of your chatbots. So let's say I'm going to open this one and then click on edit in studio. After that, you're going to get transferred here. So from here to add a question, so you just need to click on workflows. Okay, then once you're here, hover your mouse over it, over here, and then just drag and drop this text here to add your question. So let's just say my question is, what is your age, or what is your name? And then just connect your node and then just check, that's your bot, as you can see. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.